Okay, this was the other assignment. It was called How Many Tens? And I did the first one for you again. It says how many tens equal the number 10. So that was pretty simple. 1 10 would equal 10. That's right. So if you get to the second one, how many tens would equal the number 20? Well, if it's 10 plus 10, then that's 2 tens that equals 20. So your answer would be 2. How many tens equal the number 60? And you can see that there's 6 tens, or you can look at it as just 6 times 10, which would mean that there is 6 tens. And that seems a lot shorter to write, so I'm going to just use multiplication from now on. So how many tens would equal the number 100? Well, if you know that 10 times 10 equals 100, then you know that there's 10 tens. Okay, so when you get to 170, it might cause you a little bit of pause. How many tens equals 170? But if we look back at the pattern here, we might be able to figure out what to do for the rest of these that are larger numbers like this. If I notice that the number of tens here is it's 1 in the first one, and if you notice there's a 1 in the number 10 and then 1 0. And then here there's 2 tens in the number 20. So there's a 2 here, and then again 1 0. And then here there's 6 tens in the number 60. And you can see there's a 6 here in the number 60, and then again 1 0. And finally, when we get to 100, there's a number 10 in the number 100, and then again there's the 1 0 on the end. So what we can see from the pattern is that all these tens have in common is that a 10 has 1 0 in it. So if you just take that 1 0 out and take all of the numbers in front, that's how many tens are going to fit in that number. So let's try it. So here's the 1 0. So how many tens fit in 170? 17. So that would be the answer. So how many tens fit in 340? 34. How many tens fit in 790? 79. And it continues. How many tens, there's the 1 0, fit in 1,000? 100 do. How many tens fit in 1,300? 130 do. How many tens fit in 2,340? There's the 1 0 for the 10, and then we have 234 of those. So 234 tens equals 2,340. And lastly, for this big number here, how many tens fit in 23,000? Well, just take that 1 0 for the 10, and then let's take our number in front, and it looks like 2,300 tens. So once you got the hang of that, you can apply that to hundreds. So for hundreds, just think about how many hundreds equal 200. Well, you kind of know what the answer to that is. That would be 2 100s. That would equal 200, right? And then how many hundreds would equal 800? That would be 8 100s. But now we have another pattern here, right? What's in every 100? There's 2 zeros instead of 1 0. So I have 100 and then a 2 in front of it. That's how I know there's going to be 2 hundreds. So there's my 100 with an 8 in front of it. So I know there's going to be 8 hundreds, and that will equal 800. So how many hundreds fit in 5,300? There's my 100. And that's how many hundreds? Yep, 53. There's my 100 for the next one, 64,000. There's my 100, the two zeros. There's how many hundreds equal 64,000. That would be 640. And this here is the challenge question, which I'm going to leave for tomorrow. I'm not going to do that one for you. You can think about that one.